Stop flying. Just put your controller down. Because what you are about to hear will fundamentally change how you capture aerial footage forever. For years, you've had to choose. Do you fly a bulky 360 camera drone for reframable video, or do you fly a fast, thrilling FPV drone for cinematic risk? That compromise is dead. We are talking about the DJI Avata 360. And this is not just an upgrade, it's a new category of drone. It's the drone that kills two birds with one stone, replacing your dedicated 360 camera rig and your Cinewhoop-style FPV flyer. If you are a professional creator, an adrenaline junkie, or someone who simply refuses to compromise on quality, you need to listen to every single word of this deep dive. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The most sensational leak, the one that confirms this is a game changer, is the camera system. Forget strapping an external camera like an Insta360 to your Avata. The Avata 360 is rumored to feature an integrated, dual-sensor camera module housed in a physically rotating chassis. That's right. At the push of a button, this drone transitions from full, invisible drone 8K 360-degree capture to a traditional, forward-facing, stabilized FPV shot. Think about the workflow that unlocks. One take. One drone. You fly a thrilling gap sequence in FPV mode, capturing that heart-stopping, forward-facing shot. Then, you seamlessly transition to 360 mode, letting the drone fly through a large space while capturing every single angle for perfect reframing in post-production. This is efficiency. This is power. This is why your current setup is about to become obsolete. But power is useless without control. The original Avata series was a gateway to FPV, but it had its limitations, especially with safety and flight time. The Avata 360 leaks point to a massive boost in both. First, safety. The rumors suggest an advanced LiDAR and vision sensor array facing both forward and to the sides. This isn't just basic obstacle avoidance. This is 3D real-time mapping that makes acrobatic flight in tight spaces calculated instead of purely reckless. This means you can fly faster, closer, and with the confidence that the drone is actively helping you avoid catastrophe. For FPV pilots, this is the holy grail: maximum control with a safety net. Second, endurance. One of the longest-standing complaints about Cinewhoops and FPV drones is the painfully short flight time. The Avata 360 is rumored to feature a significantly larger battery capacity, pushing the real-world flight time into the 25 to 30-minute range. That is a colossal leap forward. It means fewer battery swaps, less time on the ground, and more time capturing that perfect shot when the light is just right. Time is money, and the Avata 360 is buying you more of it in the air. Let's circle back to the image quality. 8K 360. Why is this critical? When you reframe 360 footage, you are essentially cropping a small window out of a massive spherical image. If you start with 5.7K, that reframe shot quickly becomes low resolution. Starting with native 8K means your reframed 16:9 cinematic shot will hold its quality beautifully, even for high-end client work. This is the difference between amateur 360 and broadcast-ready content. And for FPV mode, the dual sensors are reportedly dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors, a significant step up in size, promising vastly